How to log out of your VSCO account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your VSCO account. For that, first of all, you will need to launch your VSCO application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you need to tap on the two bars at the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, at the very bottom on the left, you will find Sign Out option. This is similar to Log Out. Now you just simply have to tap on this option and it will ask you if you are really sure to sign out or log out or not. You need to tap on this tick mark at the right side and confirm it. Once confirmed, you will be logged out from your VSCO account. So once you are logged out, you will need to enter your credentials again to log back in. So by following the steps, you should be able to log out of your VSCO account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.